In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say orange fruits in Chinese. 橙子、橘子、柿子、杏、哈密瓜、木瓜。你吃过木瓜沙拉吗？柿子是原产于中国的水果。我家门前有一棵杏树，吃橙子可以补充维生素。橘子和橙子是两种很像的水果。我最喜欢的水果是哈密瓜。Tired of reading boring Chinese materials? Check out our Chinese leveled readers based on the HSK standard. Our stories cover a wide range of interesting topics for students of all levels, from beginners to advanced learners. The stories include Pinyin, English translations, and audio recordings read by native Chinese speakers. Learn Chinese the fun way. Ebook, available at Amazon, Apple Books, Barnes & Noble, Kobo. Paperback, available at Amazon.